All right, good evening, everybody, to anyone who's watching this. Tonight we're doing something pretty simple. I'm just adding a little bit of regex or some sort of text detection or matcher to my post view here, and I'm gonna also add error handling on the front end to deal with this. And the reason I'm doing this is specifically for this issue. I don't want to allow my users to save anything that isn't um, under the HTTPS protocol. Specifically, I don't want them to save anything that is a link that is not under the HTTPS protocol. So this is pretty simple. Well, I say that and it'll probably take me like 30 minutes to do, but whatever, it's fine. Uh, so let's start with just basic validation. I want to do this. I'm tired tonight, so this might be a little bit slow. So yeah, let's start with link data link and link contains. I know that that's not a function, or doesn't contain. And I want to return a response with the data error detail. There's a string. This should just be something along the lines of, actually this might, I guess it needs to be wrapped in a thing. So it should be error detail. Your link needs to be HTTPS, and then over here, or just do status to status dot. I guess this should just be bad request, I guess, because all the other 400s. Not another. I mean, yeah, bad request sounds fine to me. I'm not too worried about perfectly aligning with MDN standards. Otherwise, okay. So now we just need a good way to always be able to detect HTTPS. So, I mean, honestly, this is like basic as hell. Actually, I'm gonna open up a new window here real quick and just hop into a Python thingy just so I can test this manually. What I think I can do is I can do uh, this, and what I can do is I can just say, just use slicing, and if it's not, like to 5, and if the slice is not equal to HTTPS, then I don't let the user save it, because I don't, off the top of my head, I don't think there's really any other way that you could enter a link. I guess you could do like I think you can do like blob dot something like that, but that would be like, I mean, at that point, if someone wants to like do something bad or uh whatever, they're they're gonna be able to do it already. I'm not really worried about preventing that. So yeah, that works fine. I'm just gonna do a slice. Uh, so if link to 5 is not equal to HTTPS, and then we'll try to comment, checking for HTTPS. Don't know why I put an exclamation mark there initially. And just space to make it look a little bit nicer. Yeah, that looks great. And I'm not gonna like correct the user or something because, there's always a chance that they just like incorrectly type something in. Uh, and when I say correct, I mean correct manually. Yeah, and then okay, so let me run a test to make sure I'm not. Actually, this will automatically fail, right? Because yeah, because I'm trying to save a link that isn't yeah, which is fine, which is good, but uh So this now needs to be https google.com. Now let me run test again. And this should work fine. I'm going to need to add a test for the other thingy though. I should run coverage and it does work fine. And when I say other thingy, I mean I just need to run coverage and uh, I'm pretty sure that I need to um, add another test testing links that don't work correctly, which makes sense. So what is that, 156, 157? That looks like 156. Oh, that's the wrong file. 156. Yep, okay. And 157 is what, just the next line down. Coverage is so weird sometimes, but that's fine. What's a 204? Um, okay, I could use to test that at some point, but I'll do it later. It's not that important. I'm at like 90, I'm at 98% coverage. I'm fine. Anyways, oh, wait, no, no, go down. There we go. Okay. Wait, there we are. Okay, I got lost for a second. I'm tired if I didn't mention. Okay, let me look for links again. All we're gonna do is we're gonna yoink the post request, and we're gonna do the exact same thing, except test post request with HTTPS link. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the HTTPS. Actually, you know what? Just for um, the sake of testing, let's just try HTTP. And oh wait, I just realized did I run into an issue here? I might have to check for this too, because I just realized you could potentially enter a website like um like that and that would pass, which I mean I feel like that's probably, chance of that happening are slim, but still. Um so that's I should go up to 8 now, and yeah, so I can't really see any way that I'm not covering every case here. I mean that seems fine to me. Again, I'm not like entirely worried about this. This should be fine in theory, but still. Um, I want to actually make sure the error message is working fine. So your link needs to be HTTPS dot dot content. That's probably not gonna work the first time, but that's fine. I oh oh there we go. I can see like how I access the errors from the testing suite. Let me see. Um, yeah, that's what I thought. It was gonna be like a byte string or something. Okay. So I think this is a JSON dumps thing, if I recall. It's a JSON dot. This doesn't load, right? Nope, that's the other way around. This always confuses me. I think it just should be JSON dot loads request dot content. Oh, that should be result. Sorry. Result dot content at 0. I think that should work. We'll see though. Okay, I think it worked. Sweet. So I would have to manually check for that on the front end, but that's fine. I can do that. No big deal. And the one other thing I want to do is also change this with the patch, or I mean, add this in with the patch. Um, and I guess actually, in technicality, I could just, hold on, I forgot I can do custom validator. Dear, I forgot that I can do this. Should go straight to Stack Overflow because I'm lazy. So can I don't want to validate everything by hand. Um, which is I I think I can just call super, But before I do that, I want to. Oh. Oh wait, can I just have like a certain validator for just like a single field? Because that'd be nice. Uh, so let me just see. We have our validator. I think, keyword think, I can just go here to, like over here actually. Okay, serializers, accounts. Ah, it's gonna be a pain, maybe. Let me go back to the documentation and take a look at this. I think I might be able to write my own something. I thought I saw something about that, like how I can just plop it in. I should probably stop scrolling so fast. Oh, yeah, here's what I was looking. Let me read this real quick. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be very helpful. Let me try. Oh, jeez. No, never fine. Okay. I thought everything just crashed. Okay, so let me try and validate. So what I want to do is if attributes, I think this should just be a dictionary. That link is, well, basically just going to copy. That link to 8 is not equal to the checking for HTTPS is not equal to HTTPS, blah, blah, blah. Then I want to raise validation error. I think a validation error is sometimes you can just like sometimes it's just text, but was that actually hold on? Is that interesting? No, that was interesting. Okay. Um, no, back to here. Um, check this out. I mean that seems fine. Serializers have validation here. So oh yes, here's okay, cool. Um, your link needs to be HTTPS. I don't need the type hinting. Thank you though. I appreciate it all the time, man. No problem. Um, okay, I think let me try this, but let me move this back over to here. Um, this might work first try. Let's see, I guess. Man, damn it. Okay. Hmm, um, or actually, is that just catching other thing? That it might be working fine. It might just be catching other things. Um, test put. Okay, so 247, 323. Someone remember that for me. 247. Well, yep. Okay. Okay, so yeah, the thing that would be an issue. Okay, I'm actually really glad that I did that. Like kind of initially, I was like, oh, should I do this? I don't really need to. But then I was like, oh my God, like this is actually, yeah, that it would not have caught these errors. So I'm glad I did that. Um, and the other thing that got wrong, that's just because I'm sending it back differently. That's not because, um, let me, I might. didn't tell me exactly what I did wrong. But yeah, that's I'm really glad I did that. Um, okay, let's see what this is mad about. Uh, okay. Can I make a field error? Actually, honestly, I'm overthinking it. I just need to, this is fine. So non-field errors. I get that this is nice and like extendable or whatever, but this is ungodly annoying to type out. Like it's so hard to like, yeah, it's just annoying. I don't like it. That was a random rant, but you get the point. Um, okay. The other nice thing about this is that I now do not have to. Let me run coverage before I forget. I don't have to go and do this for every other field because I actually use DRF like it should be used, which is nice. Very nice. Um, I'll probably make a commit as long as coverage seems nice. 195. What's that? Oh, it's just that again. Um, yeah, I'm fine with that for now. I could come and like get those last few lines, but I could also get my front end to like 95% coverage before I do that, because it's still sitting at 85% coverage if you didn't watch the last video. And you probably didn't. And that's fine. I don't blame you. Anyways, let me commit this. Should be uh edit HTTPS filtering almost done with what what issue is this? 34. 34. And push. And okay, cool. So now what I want to do is I want to go over to settings and I want to ideally I want to render an error on the modal. So right here when an error occurs. So yeah. Okay, so I'm actually gonna open settings.jsx in both files because it's such a big ass file. I think 'cause I already have a component for doing like little errors like this. So I think I can do is go here and I'm not like worried about perfect user interaction and stuff. I'm just worried about getting like pretty nice. So I think I just go here and where I have save new link, add new link. There we go. Um, you're gonna set is error to false, and if there is an issue, then I want to uh, set is error to true. And see, I think I still just have like, oh, something went wrong on my thing here. So like if I what will force this to go wrong? Um, I guess I just turn off my Docker container for a second. That actually might be easier than trying to figure out like exactly how to make this fail. But if I click like save, then I guess I don't have. Oh, it's also not going to do that. Okay, well that's not very useful. Hold on. Back again, there's app dash w build. Okay. I know you're not happy. It's loading. Just wait. It's still loading. Because I think it's just like not gonna work. And yeah, which is odd in a funny way, but whatever. Um, Again, sorry if you hear that power off. It's just my headphones. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I'll have to check that at some point. Okay, anyways, now we should be back to login. It's just, man, should we go back to settings? Yeah. So I need to stop designing good software. Oh, 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 oh! That is genuinely so cool. Okay, I know for like your senior software developers, that's just like stupid and lame, and you're probably thinking like, oh my God, dude, just it's not that bad. But this is so cool for me, man. Like this is so cool. Um, anyways, yes, so something went wrong does work. Um, and you actually, okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna be smart here. I'm gonna use my big brain. Um, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, I'm gonna, wait, no, don't delete that. Don't delete that. Let me see. Is this okay? All I'm gonna do is this is big brain right here. This is real big brain. I go up here. I go down to my form and go down to the section for links. And here I'm gonna say all links must be HTTPS. And that way, when a user gets an error that just pops up and says, "Oh, you can't do this. Something's going wrong." No big deal, right? And I'll get like that formatted later, but for now it looks fine. That was a very big brain moment. Very proud of myself. And with that, I'm gonna commit this tiny change. Tiny change user UX feature. Literally a single line. And with that, I'm gonna say goodnight, and I'm gonna go play Trackmania. If you watched to the end, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And yeah, peace.